Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful trinket box in which you can keep your jewelry safe. First thing you need to make a trinket box is an empty tape roll, cardboard, decorative paper, velvet cloth. You can use any cloth you want but without velvet, scissors, and hot glue gun. Now first thing what I'm going to do is take this empty tape roll and I'm going to wrap it around with this velvet cloth. So this is how I wrapped it. Then now I'm going to cut the extra cloth off and I'm going to stick it inwards. Now next what we have to do is take the size of this roll and draw a circle on the cardboard. You should draw 2 circles on the cardboard. See, both are of same size. Now I'm going to cut them. I have cut them, and I've also cut a small third circle. Now what I'm going to do is one will be used as the base and one will be used as the lead. Now but first thing what we have to do is we have to cover these circles. I'm going to cover these 2 with construction paper and they're done. The last one I have covered with velvet, but these 2 they look really nice and they're gonna match the golden brown velvet. So you see these both match, so that's why I covered that with velvet. So I'm going to use one as the base and I'm gonna glue it on carefully. Now I'm going to take this and stick it at the bottom. Now it's done. Now I'm going to use the other one as the lead, but don't glue this on. And next is what I'm going to use the small velvet circle. I'm to glue it in the middle of the larger circle. Once that's glued in place properly, okay, now I'm going to use this ball and I'm going to stick it in the center of the velvet circle. Okay, that's done now. Now the lead is also completed, and that way the trinket box is complete. That was so simple to do. But now let's do something about the inside. We need something soft like a cushion that will keep your jewelry or ornaments safe inside this box. So I'm going to make a cushion now. You can see I have cut a velvet cloth in this way and I'm going to glue it right now. Now it's completely glued and now I'm gonna turn it. Now I have to do filling inside this. So I'm gonna choose cotton and I'm gonna fill it inside this. Now it's done. The cushion is made. Now I'm gonna keep this cushion inside this box. Now you can use the trinket box for keeping your watches or even jewelry. Like I kept my mom's jewelry in this box. You can see your jewelry will look very nice inside this box. because this box has a royal look according to me. It looks really stunning and it's really simple to make. This will definitely keep your jewelry safe and also in a very stunning and decorated way. Thank you for watching. There's one more left to come. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye.